Welcome. Last class I told something about both and pinned. This question already given last time. For explanation purpose, I am solving now. So this is a question. Okay, now. See, today now I have to leave for native place now. No time. In a hurry I am finishing. I do not want to break the sequence. Daily I want to upload the class. So, short class, maybe not more than 15-20 minutes. Right, first note. Solution. Don't write anything here. First write solution. First you have to write a note here. What all I dictate now, see, I will dictate, you write if you are serious. Those people, see, last class what I told, you have to go through it. If you are lazy not to go to last class, suddenly come and attend, see this class. If not clear, you have to blame yourself only. See, I told earlier, now onwards, everybody should see every class. Right here, note. Usual procedure is we first find support reactions. There are two hinged supports are here. We know that hinged support, a hinge support will have two reactions, vertical and horizontal both. So total, it looks like 4 reactions here. Oh, right here, oh. 4 reactions we cannot solve because only 3 equilibrium conditions. When you find reactions, sigma m0, sigma v0, sigma h0. If number of unknown reactions are more than 3, it is externally, statically indeterminate. Then what to do? Suddenly, oh, one more, oh, he told this question is a special type of question. Next time I won't tell. Special type of question of 2 hinged support, see here, with only one of the hinge, only one member connected. Other hinge, no problem. One of the hinge, only one member connected. And also, no member connecting the 2 hinges. Yes, he told in the class very clearly, no need of finding support reactions. Method of joint start directly from other side. See, the question is, using, you can write here, using method of, I forgot to write the question, right here. Using method of joints, find axial forces in all members. Oh, he told, in that case, you need not, first of all, you cannot find also. You actually can find, later I will tell. Those who got capacity can find. Okay, that is higher level. So he told no need of finding reaction. You look other side, other supports are here, that side. Oh, we can start from E. See here. If you start from E, you get forces in these 2 members. Then after E, we can come to C. If you come to C, you get forces in this member and this member. This is already over. Lastly, you can come to D, you get forces in these 2 members. Oh yes, all members are over. Therefore, right here, no need of finding reaction. Directly start method of joint. But, right here, but before starting method of joint, we have to get angle of inclination for all inclined member with the horizontal. That is no time for me now. Okay, I'll write. Therefore, one rough sketch here. Rough sketch. See, rough sketch here. One inclined member here, one inclined member here. See, this is 4 meter. Now write correctly. This also 4 meter. This is 3 meter. ABCD not required. Let this with horizontal be theta. Let this also be theta. See. Both are equal because if I take this theta, tan theta equal to 4 divided by 3. Or if I go for this theta also, tan theta equal to 4 divided by 3. So this class question, both are equal angle. But next time when I come back later, I'll do a big frame. I will put one more member here. Then one more I will put this way. There I will give different height for you. 3 sides, different height. Why? Lengthy question I will give you. At that time I will put theta 1, theta 2. Now only theta. calculate theta, tan inverse, it will come 53.13 degrees because this is standard angle, I know it. I know this angle, okay. And this question I have set so that decimals are not coming. This is in my hand because I know time is not there for me. Okay, this is over. Now do one thing, make a note. Now start. Therefore, directly put heading now. See, start heading. Therefore, calculation of axial forces in all members by method of joint. For that, I told you, you require a star sketch. Actually, examination, don't write star sketch actually. See, first you find reaction, but you write the sketch here, star sketch here, see, little bigger. Hinge here, see, hinge here, one member connecting this way, then how much, 4 meter, same 4 meter here also, join to this member. There is a force of this. Now see, put pins here. Okay, over. Then there is a force of 20 kilonewton here and a force of 36 kilonewton here. Here there is a force of 45 kilonewton and here a downward force of 10 kilonewton and here left side force of 18 kilonewton and this angle is 53.13 degrees. Even this angle also today is 53.13 degrees. Over. A, B, name it, C, D, E. Okay, now, right. Consider, you should write equilibrium. See, how many times I wrote? More than 300 times now. Consider, I am not writing fully, equilibrium of joint E. Joint E. Okay, that mark I will remove now. See, I will remove that one. That is the understanding. Okay, joint E. Start. Now, mark the joint E, mark this force, mark this force, mark this member force, mark one more member force there. See, PEC, PED, mark the angle and enjoy. Enjoy. Now if somebody tells, sir, how to find? I will tell you better not once again click my channel. Now after doing it more than 300 times, see, 250, 300 times, class after class, so many would have got bored. They will tell every day same sigma v, deciding the unknown. See, let me take this going everywhere, coming to the joint, etc., etc. There is a limit. See, there is a limit for everything. There is a limit for everything. The limit has reached now. So you enjoy, finish, get the answer, then go back to star sketch and enter. I will enter now. Now, someone will ask me, sir, you are not solved. How you will enter? That is me. How I enter, you don't bother. See, how I enter, you don't bother now. Okay, I entered the answer. Okay, now, next write. Now, you should correct. See, for your knowledge purpose, you correctly solve and enter. Okay, now, this is what will happen now onwards. See, now onwards, I will stop that marking, hinge, shouting, same thing, more than 200, 250 times. Next, write, consider equilibrium of joint C. See, sketch this joint. One known force here, this is known, unknown, unknown. Solve, enjoy. Solve, enjoy, and come back and enter. Correct, 1 ನಿಮಿಷ 60 20 correct. 0.8 is 48 plus 20 correct here. Okay. 0.6 is 0.6 is 18 kilonewton. 38 kilonewton. 38 kilonewton. What is total load? 20 plus 10, 30. 20 plus 10 is 30, correct? Okay. 38 kilonewton. Over. Okay, now, next consider equilibrium of joint D. Joint D. Come to joint D. When sketch the joint D, enjoy, and again come back. One vertical, horizontal first. 18, 45, 105 kilometers. It's getting late for me. That's why hand is trembling now. Getting very late. How much I suppose? 18 plus 45. 105 kilonewton. 152 kilonewton. 152 kilonewton. Over. Right. Over. Make a note here. Yes. Axial forces in all members are obtained. See, tension 60, compression 68. This is what compression of 18. If they want tabulation, tension 38, compression 152, tension 105. Over. Make here. Therefore, make a note. I will dictate today. Time is not there. If the question is to find only axial forces, our question is over. Solution for question is over. If it is examination, you can go to next question. Over. Right here. Then, but. Right here. But. In case the question is find axial forces in all members and also find support reactions at support. Also find support reactions. Okay. Also find support reactions. Oh, then he told using those calculated axial forces, you can find support reaction. What you do is consider support A. A is a hinged support right here. There are two members meeting there. See, one member force is PAC up here. See, PAC up, black color because already known. How much? 38 kilonewton. Other force is PAD this way. See, already known, entered. PAD equal to 105 kilonewton. Okay. And for this one, angle is 53.13 degrees. This is the hinge where not one member meeting, two members are there. This is a regular hinge. So here there will be both vertical reaction and horizontal reaction. Actually, I am 100% sure vertical reaction is down, horizontal is left side. I know it. But so many people are there who will not understand. So for general public, so somebody will tell, sir, you can make out, sir, reaction will be down. I know it. When I can give the forces like this by calculator only, what, do you think I don't have capacity to decide the reaction? Yes, sir. I am solving in the class so that everybody will understand. If I tell down, someone will tell. Usually he takes up, his time take down. Sir, why, sir? See, why questions? Suppose I take upward. If negative comes, then they know it. Ah, sir, got it, sir. Why? Sir, down. Okay. Up and right I will take. Deliberately I am taking wrong direction. Traditional VA. Okay. What you do? Apply sigma V equal to 0. Take upward positive. What you get? Plus VA plus 38 plus this way 105 into sine of 53.13 equal to 0. You get the value of VA. Let me see what VA comes now. VA will come 105 into sine 53.13. That is some 105 into 0.8. Okay, 0.8 equal to plus 38. 122 kilonewton minus 122 kilonewton. 122 minus, okay, then sigma h equal to 0. Right side positive. What I get? Plus HA plus 105 into cos 53.13 equal to 0. Therefore, my HA will come. That's all. No other force is there. 105 into cos 50, 105 into 0.6. 63 kilonewton. Correct? 18, 45, 55, correct. Okay. 53 minus 53 will come. Minus 53 will come. Okay. Now, very important, A support over. Come to support at B, right here. But remember, special case. Or you put the support here. See, support B is like this. There is only one member connected there. The force in the member is how much? PBD. It is already known. PBD equal to 152 kilonewton. Okay, now that's all. Now, you should know it. If for a hinged support, only one member is connected, then there will be only one reaction, say R, I won't call V now, just one reaction R at B, which is collinear to the member. Over. Okay, right. Therefore, mark, you write, remember I told you, see by looking only you can make out sigma V equal to 0, if you take upward positive, plus RB minus 152 equal to 0. Therefore, your RB will come plus 152 kilonewton. Okay, over. Make a note. By chance, by mistake, you take HB here, horizontal reaction HB. Even then, when you make sigma H0, your HB will come 0. See, HB will come 0. But don't take it. There is a special support here. Over. Now, right here. Since the question is find axial forces in all members and also support reaction, go back to the star sketch. If it is only axial force, I told these all we are not doing. But question I told what? If the question is find axial force and support reaction, go back to star sketch, enter. VA I took upward, negative came. So VA is down. How much VA? VA is down of 122 kilonewton, negative came. HA I took right side, negative came, left side. So left side reaction, HA equal to how much? HA equal to 53 kilonewton. 53 kilonewton. Okay, right here. Not getting late for me means it happens. See, I am counting minutes now. And RB you took this way, correct. RB, the reaction RB equal to RB or VB, 152 kilonewton. Okay, over. Now, question is over. Now, very important. See, actually I will tell you, getting late for me, still I want to give education. See, late means okay, no problem. Now, one special note you have to write. By chance, special note, right here, note. You write here, solution is over. Right, note. By chance, it is a competitive examination. Competitive exam. And they gave that sketch given. And just for 1 mark or maximum 2 marks, actually 1 mark, they want what? Reactions at support. Either at A, see, either at A or at B or both. They can ask 1 mark question. What to do? I told you. Then no need of finding method of joint is not required. See, don't waste time. All this calculation, you are wasting your time. What to do is remember, right here, remember what he told. Okay. See, I will tell you what to do. Put the, see, actually do not write one more, I'll remove this one now. Space is not there. Do not write one more sketch. Use the same sketch, but here I can't do it. So I'll put the sketch once again here. See, actually do not waste time writing one more sketch. Tell why? This way. See, hinge and hinge. Okay. Force of 18 kilonewton, force of 45 kilonewton, a force of 20 kilonewton, and a force of 36 kilonewton. Anything else? Yes, one more force of 10 kilonewton here. A, B, C, D not required. Only A and B required. Okay, over. Height is 4 meter here. You can refer there only. 4 meter here and 3 meter here. 3 meter here. Okay. Then, this is hinged support. Not special. More than one. Two members are there. This is right here. A is, I am dictating. A is usual hinge. Means what? Vertical reaction VA and horizontal reaction HA. Usual hinge. But B is a special type. Hinge support with only what? One member attached. If one member attached, just one reaction there which is collinear to the member, that is RB. You write this way. Actually what you do is, in the question paper only, pencil, mark this one. Don't write sketches all there. Okay. But here I am solving. Okay, start. Sigma m about A equal to 0. Take clockwise positive. Minus RB into 3, minus RB into 3, plus 45 into 4, 45 into 4, plus 36 into 8, 36 into 8, plus 20 into 3, 10 into 0, not required. Why? See, 10 is passing here. Minus 18. Minus 18 into once again 4 equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of RB. Let me see how much RB comes now. I am really doing it. I am not hitting the calculator now. 45 into 4 plus 36 into 8 plus 20 into 3 minus 18 into 4 divided by 3 plus 152 kilonewton. I got RB. Then sigma V0, take upward positive, plus VA, then plus your RB or VB, minus 10 minus 20 equal to 0. Minus 10 minus 20 equal to 0. What you do? Substitute for RB whatever you got there. Therefore, you get the value of RA. 152 minus 18 minus, how much minus 18 and, sorry, 152 minus 10 minus 20 minus 122 kilonewton. Sigma H equal to 0. Black color. Sigma H equal to 0. Right side positive. Plus HA minus 18 plus 45 equal to 0. Therefore, anything, one more is there. Plus 36. Oh, I forgot. See. Plus 36 equal to 0. Therefore, your HA equal to minus 18 plus 45 plus 36. So, minus, what is it? Minus 18 plus 45 plus 36 is 63. Here I got 53, Anisha. 1 minute now. 105 into 0.6 is, oh, it is 63. Sorry. See, when I put the, what happened is light problem. See, light problem. See, what happened is, see, one minute, I'll tell you. A little earlier, I considered joint A. See, joint A. I took a force of 38 here, one force of 105 here, and then I took the two reactions. See, VA up, HA right. At that time, sigma H I wrote, see, I wrote plus HA plus 105 cos 53.13 equal to 0. I wrote HA equal to 105 into 0.6. I wrote HA equal to minus 53. No. See, light problem. It actually is 5. See, in the light, it looked like 53 to me. No, make a note here. It is not 53, it is 63. You calculate. So, in the star sketch, you change it to what? 63 kilo, right there. Light problem in the reflection. See, my calculator display is very weak. Sometime you have seen me, I am bending the calculator and seeing there. 5 and 6 sometime in the angle looks like same. Okay, make it. That this is called human nature. It is not technical error. Okay, minus 63 will come. Correct it. Go back and correct what is there. Okay, now do one thing. Right here. Therefore, see here. Therefore, lastly, I'll do one thing now. I'll put here now. For their frame, see, for that given frame, last answer. This way and then this way. With what? 1/4 here, 1/4 here, 1/4 here, 1/4 here, 1/4 here, A and B. We took RB up plus came. So correct. RB equal to 152 kilonewton. We took VA, see here, up. Negative RB. Okay. It's not RA, it is VA. Oh, what is this one? Getting late for me, that's why. VA. Negative came. We took upward. So VA is downward of 122 kilonewton. HA we took right side. Negative sign came. So HA is left side of 63 kilonewton. Now do one thing. This result you compare with what I got here. 100% same. See, without that confidence I will not tell. So make a note. If you find axial forces and then if you want reaction, use the axial force and consider equilibrium of the joint in like method of joint and find. But at that time, usual hinge 2 reactions, the special hinge where only one member comes, just a reaction along member. Or if the objective question, if they ask only reaction, what I did now, do it. 1 marks question. Actually, what you do is, you come back here and what? Okay, take moment and get fast. Don't write sketch once again. Use pencil. Sometime examination, if you use pen for question paper, they object. Pencil you can mark and remove it. See, they won't object. If you write light line pencil, if you mark, nobody will see it. But pen, sometimes people object. You should not write anything in the question paper, they will tell. But actually, for that sake, again you can't see. Then you have to imagine it. See, pencil mark you can do it. You finish it and then rub it out. Nobody will have to put any penalty for you. Okay. Getting very late for me. Over. So now solve. Next class, I will do question number 27. Then I will give 2 simultaneous exercise for you. Then I will start more questions. Study everything. Yesterday's class, there is a principle given. That you study, then study this question. Okay, thank you. We'll meet after I come back from native place.